Like many investments, you can earn returns not only through buying and selling crypto, but also by using it to generate passive income. When you earn passive income, you are able to earn money on your assets without active involvement on your part. The concept is the same as compounding interest or reinvesting dividends in the traditional financial world or earning rent on investment properties. In this article, you'll learn how to earn passive crypto income. How to earn passive income with cryptocurrency. It is possible to earn passive income with crypto, but returns will depend on the method chosen and the amount of crypto you have to start. Given its volatility, there's no guarantee that any crypto strategies will deliver any returns. Still, those holding large amounts of crypto have several avenues to potentially generate yield with crypto. It's up to you to weigh the risks of trying to earn a yield on their crypto and its potential rewards versus the risk/reward ratio of simply holding for potential long-term gains or cashing out some or all of your holdings. Ways you can earn passive income with crypto. Many of the potential ways to earn passive income with crypto involve lending and borrowing. Other methods, including running a node, mining, or staking coins, are more technical. Here are 11 ways to earn passive income with different types of crypto. 1. Proof of stake, PoS, staking. Proof of stake is a consensus method used in blockchain technology that serves as an alternative to Bitcoin's proof of work. PoS networks agree on which transactions are valid through a process that involves nodes locking up or staking large amounts of tokens for a time. Crypto staking replaces the role of mining. Instead of miners receiving new block rewards as in PoW, validators receive new block rewards in PoS. Validators do not need expensive computer hardware, but they do need to have sufficient tokens to have a chance at adding the next block to the chain. Many networks require an initial investment before allowing staking. Some popular types of cryptocurrency available to stake on large exchanges include Cosmos, Atom, Tezos, XTZ, and Cardano, ADA. 2. Interest-bearing digital asset accounts. A number of service providers allow users to deposit their crypto and earn a yield on it, as they might with a savings account. This has become an attractive product for investors because traditional cash savings accounts yields have fallen so low in recent years. To use such, simply open an account and deposit their crypto or stablecoin. There might be a lockup period involved, where users can access their funds for a fixed amount of time. In exchange for the deposit, users earn interest on crypto. Stablecoins like US dollar coin, USD, and DAI often have the best interest rates. BlockFi, Celsius, and Vault are a few popular companies offering these types of accounts. 3. Lending. There are several ways that investors can lend out crypto. In all cases, the idea is to loan crypto to someone else for a time in exchange for a fee. The amount earned will depend on 3 things. 1. The total value of crypto being lent. 2. The duration of the loan. 3. The interest rate. Higher rates, longer loans, and larger loans can lead to more income from the interest paid by borrowers. In some cases, those earning crypto passive income in this way get to choose the terms of the loans they create. In others, a third party negotiates the terms ahead of time. 4. Cloud mining. Mining proof-of-work cryptocurrencies requires substantial investment in computing hardware along with the necessary technical knowledge. Cloud mining contracts offer an alternative. Instead of setting up a new mining rig, people can simply rent hashing power from an established operation. In exchange for a fixed sum of money, people can buy cloud mining contracts that entitle them to a certain hash rate for a certain period of time. The contract owner receives new coins in proportion to the size of their contract. Warning: many cloud mining scams exist. Those interested in cloud mining would do well to do as much research as possible and make sure the company offering the contract is legitimate. 5. Dividend-Earning Tokens. Tokenized stocks are cryptocurrencies backed by shares of equity in a company. Sometimes these tokens offer dividend payouts in the same manner that shareholders receive dividends. Dividends are usually paid on a quarterly basis. 6. Yield farming. The term yield farming became popular in 2020 and 2021 with the rise of decentralized exchanges, which rely on smart contracts and liquidity provided by investors. To yield farm, investors deposit tokens into a special smart contract called a liquidity pool. Those who provide liquidity in this way receive a portion of the fees generated through traders accessing the pool. Yield farming is one of the more complex options listed here and will require a lot of additional research for those interested. But it can also be one of the most lucrative options available to make passive income with crypto. Yield farming often requires some Ethereum, ETH, along with a DeFi token of some kind like Uniswap, Uni or PancakeSwap, Cake, or possibly a stablecoin like Tether, UST. 7. Running a Lightning node. The Bitcoin Lightning Network is a Layer 2 scaling solution that allows for lightning-fast, affordable micropayments at scale. The nation of El Salvador, which has made Bitcoin legal tender, uses Lightning for its Bitcoin transactions, for example. Lightning nodes facilitate these transactions. Those who run nodes receive a small portion of each transaction fee that gets routed through their node. Running a Lightning node generates very little income. Because fees are so low, those who run a node might only make a few dollars per month in Bitcoin or less. Some users report earning as much as $25 in 1 month, though this also depends on the price of BTC versus a user's local fiat currency. This method doesn't generate that much Bitcoin passive income. Most participants do it to support the use of Bitcoin as a medium of exchange. And as the Lightning Network grows and more transactions get routed through it, the income for node operators will presumably rise as well. 8. Affiliate programs. Affiliate programs exist for many different business models, one of them being crypto-related products and services. Some exchanges offer affiliate programs, for example. To participate, users simply have to 1. Sign up, submit an application, or share an affiliate link. 2. Introduce a platform or product to their friends, family, or social media followers. 3. Get paid each time someone takes a certain action, like signing up for an account on a given exchange. For example, at the time of publishing, Coinbase offers a small Bitcoin incentive to those who get a new user to sign up for an account through their affiliate link. Affiliate programs might not be the fastest way to generate passive income with crypto, but they could be one of the easiest. 9. Master nodes. Some blockchain networks, like Dash, contain a specific type of node referred to as master nodes. Those who run these nodes can receive large payouts. This won't be available to the average person, however, as running a master node often requires holding a significant sum of the network's cryptocurrency. To run a Dash master node costs 1,000 Dash, or about $130,000 at today's prices. Master nodes receive a portion of the block rewards each time a new block is mined. 10. Forks and airdrops. Forks happen when an existing coin branches off into a new chain. Airdrops happen when new coins are created and dropped onto users as a reward for one reason or another. Users don't have any control over when these events might occur, but being active in the crypto ecosystem increases the odds. In 2017, for example, everyone who held Bitcoin, BTC, received an equivalent amount of Bitcoin Cash, BCH, when the network hard forked. Someone who had 1 BTC, for example, would have received 1 BCH. In 2021, users of the KeepKey hardware wallet, among other groups, received an airdrop of FOX tokens from the company that runs the Shapeshift platform. Those who had logged into Shapeshift during a certain time period automatically received the tokens in their crypto wallets. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also, subscribe to our channel before you go. Thank you for watching.